Love is not lost in a day. No, no. A garden doesn't die overnight. It fades when it is not watered. And every heart longs for the same thing: to be seen, to be heard, to be loved.
See me, hear me, love me.
See me, hear me.
See me, hear me, love me.
Every heart is searching for a place called home. Sometimes the distance between two people is not measured by roads or oceans. Sometimes it's measured by silence. Two souls sharing one roof, yet walking separate journeys. One longing to be understood, the other longing to be appreciated. Both carrying burdens, both hiding tears. And little by little the connection fades away. Not because love disappeared, but because it was forgotten. When kindness grows weak, when listening grows quiet, the heart begins to wander through empty spaces, looking for light, looking for warmth, looking for what once lived at home. Love is a garden, water it daily. Love is a fire, keep it burning gently. With patience, with kindness, with respect every day. Oh, don't let love fade away. Speak love, speak love. Give love, show love, grow love. Speak love, give love, show love, grow love. Many people are not searching for another person. They are searching for missing moments. A smile, a conversation, a touch upon the shoulder, a simple I appreciate you. The little things become everything. The forgotten things become painful, and hearts begin searching for what should never have been lost. True love is not found in someone new. True love is discovered again and again in the one beside you. Love is choosing understanding over pride, choosing forgiveness over anger, choosing togetherness over separation again and again and again.
Choose love,
Choose love,
choose grace,
choose patience,
choose patience,
choose love,
choose love,
choose grace, choose grace,
choose grace,
choose patience,
patience,
hey,
choose faith.
hey. Love is a garden, hey, water it daily. Love is a fire, keep it burning brightly. With patience, with kindness, with respect and mercy. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on and let love grow. Before searching elsewhere, listen. Before judging, understand. Before walking away, try healing. Because what many hearts are seeking is not another person. It is a deeper connection, a stronger friendship, a greater understanding, a love that reflects the heart of God. Bible wisdom. Love is patient. Love is kind.
Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Above all, love each other deeply.